Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2013 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R. This is the 636cc inline 4 supersport, fuel injected, liquid cooled, beautiful red powder coated wheels. It's got the awesome sounding Two Brothers Silver Series exhaust, fender eliminator, beautiful metallic sparkle black. Come by, make your super sport dreams come true for just $69.99. This bike is not going to be here long, only 11,000 miles. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.